Hi, I'm Priscilla Medders, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these poms using 2 of our Poly Pom bows and some ribbon and some scissors and a stapler. Start by peeling off the backing from each bow. Then cut a length of ribbon long enough to wrap around a gift or hang as a decoration. Fold the ribbon in half, then stick it in the middle and take the other bow and stick it on top. Then just take your stapler and staple in the center. Make sure you get the ribbon in the staple so that it stays. And staple the other side. Then your pom is ready to hang as a decoration or tie on top of a gift.